I'm going to step through how to download and open the data file from this week's lab in JAMOVI on your Mac. I'm logged into Moodle as a student. I'm going to click on, it's this one, the lab for this week. I'm going to click on the data file. I'm already logged in to the University OneDrive, so I don't have to log in again. It may ask you for your SaintFX credentials, and just put in your normal username and password that you would use, for example, to check your email. I'm then going to select download. Now in my case, it allows me to select the folder I'm going to download it to. Yours might just automatically download to your downloads directory, but I'm going to hit save. But yours might just kind of automatically come up here. And so you can click on this little arrowhead and do show in Finder, and then that'll bring you to your downloads directory. But we don't want to save our lab homework data files always to our downloads directory. We want to save them to that nice file structure, an organized file structure that we made in the previous video. So to do that, you're going to make sure you're on Finder. So I've got Finder up here, File, New Finder window. So now I've got another window open, and I'm going to navigate to that folder I made in the previous video. So I'm going to go Desktop, PSYC 292, Lab, Homework, and then today's date, or whatever you called it. Maybe you called it JAMOVI Install Lab, whatever works for you. And then I'm going to drag the file that I want, that I just downloaded from Moodle, into this directory. Now, this particular type of file isn't associated with JAMOVI, and on my computer it's actually associated with a different application. So if I double click on this, it's not going to open in JAMOVI. What I need to do instead is open JAMOVI and then open this file. So to open JAMOVI, I'm going to go to my applications directory and double click on jamovi.app. Yours might not say .app depending on your settings. I'm going to let it open. I'm going to click on this hamburger icon, open, browse. Now I'm going to navigate to that same directory where I just saved my homework file. So that was on my desktop, PSYC 232, lab, homework, today's date. So I can just double click on this. That would work. Another thing you can do though is, let's say you're not in the right place, but you've got that Finder window open from before. So now so this window is the JAMOVI open dialog. This window is a Finder window where I have my homework folder open. So just as a little fun tip, you can actually drag right into here and it brings you right to that directory as well. So I can hit open, and now you can see there's data in this file.